Now this problem is related to energy conservation in case of pure rolling. Let us try this problem. So we have been given a track and a spherical ball is here. It is a height of h from the horizontal portion of track. After some time this ball reaches here. So we have to find linear speed when it reaches at point 2. So this is position 1, this is position 2. So we have to find linear speed of ball when it reaches to horizontal portion. That is, it reaches to point 2. Now let us say this is moving with velocity v at this point. It will also be rotating with some angular velocity omega. Now question says there is no slip. So this is not a case of slipping. So we have no slip. That is, this is a case of pure rolling. So if you remember, in case of pure rolling, point of contact has zero velocity. That is, at any point of this track, this ball is in a situation of pure rolling. That is, if it has a angular velocity omega and linear velocity v, then this point of contact will have zero velocity. This means this point of contact will have a forward velocity v and omega into r backward velocity. That is, r is the radius of ball. So since this point of contact has zero velocity, so v minus omega r is equals to 0. This means we will have v is equals to omega r. Now since the point of contact has zero velocity, so there is no power loss. So we can calculate power loss of ball. Power is given by F dot v. Velocity of point of contact is 0 at each point of time. So this is simply 0. So there is no power loss. So this means we can apply energy conservation. So energy of ball remains conserved. So we can say from wall, when this wall is coming from this point to this point, that is horizontal portion, there is a loss in potential energy, but there is a gain in kinetic energy. So we can apply loss in potential energy is equals to gain in kinetic energy. Basically, ball has fallen through a height h. So loss in potential energy is mgh, and ball will have two kind of kinetic energy. It is moving with velocity v So translational kinetic energy is half mv square. It is also rotating, so it will have rotational kinetic energy half I omega square. For a spherical ball, we will have moment of inertia is 2 by 5 mr square, and omega is v by r. So we will have v square by r square. R cancels. So we will have mgh is equals to mass also cancels. So we will have 7 by 10 v square is equals to gh. So v square is 10 gh by 7. So v is under root 10 gh by 7. So at horizontal portion, ball is moving with a linear velocity of under root 10 gh by 7. Now only important point we have in this problem, that is point of contact has zero velocity, so there will be no power loss of ball, so there will be no energy loss, because power is energy per unit time. So we can apply energy conservation, and if this ball is coming from top point to the horizontal point, there is a loss in potential energy and gain in kinetic energy. Even surface is frictioned, so this surface is not a smooth. We can apply energy conservation. This is because in this case friction is not doing any work. So even though we have friction at the lowest point, but this friction is not doing any work because F dot V is 0, because velocity of point of contact is 0. So in this case friction is not doing any work. So we can apply energy conservation.